if you are 30, 35, 40, 45, or beyond and you're watching this, I just want to let you know that the best thing you can do for your skin is to apply your skincare and to be consistent. I'm 47 years old. I'm going to be 48 in the fall, and this is my skin without any foundation. And this is just consistency. I don't need a primer to give me this skin. I don't need a foundation to give me this skin. It's because I am consistent day and night with my skincare. So whatever it is that you have on hand, make sure you apply it. Make sure you're washing your face at night. Make sure you're applying at least a moisturizer. Of course, it's always nice to have actives, but I know that not everyone can afford those. If you need any more assistance, send me a DM or comment below. That's my tip for you today.